Delhi isn't a city that was built yesterday. From the times when the kings ruled to this modern era, this city has seen it all. You can call it a chaos, but sometimes in the middle of a chaos, you can find yourself.
For Humayun, the son of Babur, this tomb was built. The graceful architecture of the last and richest of the Mughal empires exercised a fascination upon India. The great mosque of the Mughals, the greatest in all India, Qutb Minar, the famous Tower of Victory, was begun by one and successively completed by the Mughal. 238 feet of carved red sandstone.
The 15th of August, 1947. The British Empire in India has come to an end.